Proposition 24. As we branch out into the cosmos, mark my words this day that we will eventually find objects 20 billion and 30 plus billion years old. Not everything from the original two pockets that collided would have been completely decimated into pure plasma. We will find remnants in or as asteroids or moons or maybe even planets someday that are far older than 14 billion years. And that would be the final proof in my eyes that SCT was in fact the reason for our Big Bang, and that we do in fact live inside an infinite universe. It need not have been part of the original collision, however. A rogue wanderer from either of the initial pockets or even a third pocket may have entered our pocket after our visible universe began to take shape. We can have a single pocket of space-time, mass energy, where all we know is in fact all there is or was. Or we can have an infinite number of other pockets, but we can't have a number in between. A single object found older than 20 billion years is clear proof we exist inside an infinite and eternal universe.